everyone, hello, good morning. It's been a while semenjak terakhir kali gue muncul di channel gue, but this time it's going to be special because I'm going to LA for NAMM Show 2023, and behind me is the counter of are all the counters of Singapore Airlines. I just checked in and now I'm ready to get into the security check and go to LA. So guys, stay tuned, follow my trip this time. Hello, so aku mau sarapan dulu because alarm kerja berbunyi. Jadi gue mau sarapan dulu karena gue tadi berangkat pagi banget dari Bogor dan gak sempat sarapan. So as usual breakfast KFC. Okay, enjoy. Okay everyone, I just finished my breakfast at KFC. Pakai 2 ayam tapi kayaknya bikin kenyang banget. Now I'm heading to the gate for security check. Okay. Security check, so I have to turn the camera off, but anyway, sorry. Let's get in. So everyone, yeah, this is the gate, so I have to turn the camera off, and you know, inside there's no camera. So yeah, sekarang gue lagi nunggu di journal, which is masih jam 8.44, so it's still like 2 hours and a half again sebelum Bogor bisa berangkat, but that's okay, which is yeah, I'll wait. Better early than never. Hi everyone, baru aja gue selesai minum coffee di Journal Coffee sambil nunggu boarding. That Journal Coffee, and now I'm walking to gate 8 ya, dimana what do you call it, Singapore Airlines. Untuk boardingnya nanti, boardingnya itu sekitar 10 minutes or something from now. And yeah, so I think I'm going to wait in Seoul, and you know, ke Singapore ini perjalanannya akan makan waktu sekitar 2 jam, almost 2 hours, and then habis itu gua akan transit almost 6 hours ya, almost 7 hours di Singapura, jadi belum tahu mau ngapain, and mungkin ke Jewel aja nanti kita ya, and then after that I will fly 16 hours ke LA. So this is my first trip to, it's going to be my first trip to USA setelah 3 tahun lebih ya. Last time is December 2019 to New York. Yeah, I went to Seattle, New York, and that place. So yeah, so I'll wait for the boarding. So yeah, it's a boarding process. Into the airplane.
make sure that your sheets. Thank you.
Cabin crew to your landing stations.
Welcome to Singapore, ladies and gentlemen. And to all Singaporeans and residents of Singapore, a warm welcome home. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments, and remember to take all your belongings with you. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance. Bapak
So yeah, I'm at Terminal 3 Changi, and at the moment gate gue belum keluar. Transitnya lama banget gara-gara pesawatnya cepet banget ya. Harusnya pesawatnya 2 jam, pesawatnya jadi 1 jam 10 menit, which is ngebut gila. Jadi yang tadinya guanya 6 jam 5 menit jadi bener-bener 6 jam lebih, hampir 7 jam transitnya. Dan waktu itu tadi ini udah berlalu sekitar 1 jam lebih, still belum muncul. Jam 20.45 gate-nya di mana untuk Singapore Airlines. So I'm just going to like walk around, see things. That's it, you know. Seru-seruan aja. Ini Terminal 3 Changi. So seru. Baru aja selesai makan malam, jam 19.30, and I will board within like 1 hour and 15 minutes. Lupa videoin tadi makannya Burger King, which is much better than Burger King in Indonesia. So yeah, now I'm walking through the gate. As you know, most of the people here in Singapore, they don't wear a mask anymore. So this is how it looks. It's C22. I really hope queue-nya belum terlalu panjang. That's what I hope. But yeah, we'll see. Okay. This is the queue. C22, Los Angeles, California. See you on the other side. Jadi antreannya panjang banget. So just wait. So yeah, this is like breakfast or dinner. Kinda nice, man. Los Angeles after 16 hours, almost 16 hours, 15 hours on the flight from Singapore, right here in Los Angeles. So yeah, now I'm walking through the custom and border protection, means that the immigration, and arrive at 9-something p.m. Relax. I already arrived at Lax now, waiting for Uber to get to my Airbnb in Bria. And yeah, so now they have a pickup point that we have to wait there.